Hello friends, in this video, let's discuss how to read and analyze the ZGC garbage collection log file. Friends, ZGC algorithm is used whenever if your heap size is very large. And friends, the garbage collection log file contains wealth of information. It's often used to optimize your garbage collection performance, and it's also used to troubleshoot out of memory error and memory problems. So friends, this is how your ZGC log file looks like. So you can see it has a lot of informations, numbers, and a lot of things are moving on in this file. Let's just take one single ZGC event. Let's see what information is present there. So, friends, this is one single ZGC event that is printed in the log file. So one event information is present across multiple lines. You can see there's multiple lines are here, but all is trying to describe just one event. So let's see what are the elements which is present here. The very first element here tells, here it says 16.916 seconds. So what does it mean? After 16.916 seconds, after 16.9 seconds since the JVM got started, this ZGC event got triggered. That's what it means. The next element, it tells this is the fifth event that got triggered. This is the fifth GC event that got triggered. That means before this event, 4 GC events were triggered. And then the third element, it tells what is the cause, what was the reason why this ZGC event was triggered. It says allocation rate. That means there's more objects are getting allocated. To keep up with that, this ZGC event is triggered. Actually, the fourth element, here it tells, friends, in ZGC, there are multiple phases. There is an initial mark, concurrent reset. So this tells the information, what are the different phases and how much time they all took to complete. And then here, the fifth element, what it says, what is my metaspace size? Metaspace is one of the important region in the JVM memory. It says, okay, the metaspace size was 71 megabytes was used, 72 megabytes was the capacity, and 72 megabytes was committed, and 74 was the reserved. And friends, there are more information, but what is of more importance is, look at this. This is the sixth element which is getting printed. It says the overall heap size. So before this event ran, the overall heap size was 352 megabyte. After the event it ran, it became 80 megabytes. Right? That's what it's telling. Friends, you can see there is a lot of information is going on. And this is just one event. Our GC log file contains thousands of events. So trying to understand and read them through a text editor, it can be a little bit overwhelming. That's why you can consider using GC log analysis tools. GCEC is one of them. So to this tool, it's available online. You can also install it in desktop. Either way, however you want to do, you can do it. You can come and then you can you can just upload the ZGC log file, that what we are looking. So I just selected my file. Now I upload it. Immediately, the tool processes and generates an GC log analysis report. If there are any problems that has been identified, it reports that. Say this is a poor throughput, allocation stall. How do you want to fix it? It gives you the pointers for doing it, right? It gives you all the information. What are the KPIs, the GC KPIs? How is my heap usage after this full GC events? What is my duration times? Right? It gives all the detailed information, which you can use for studying and optimizing your application performance, or it's also used to troubleshoot out of memory errors. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye.